We're out in front of this beautiful home in the Arbors. Notice the expansive yard. You have tree-lined streets. There is no home across the street. That is a preservation area. As we walk up to the front, you can see the paver driveway and walk. It's beautifully landscaped, very tropical. When you come up, you notice this charming front porch. What a great place to sit in the morning and drink your coffee. Upon entering, you can hear the waterfalls in the spa pool. So nice. Anyway, we have 12-foot ceilings with crown moldings in many of the areas. First, I'm going to take you into the den, which is double doors. And you have a lovely built-in. Going into the master suite, you notice the beadboard. You have a tray ceiling, crown molding. It also looks out to the pool and is quite spacious. And you've got an organized closet, very large. Then in the bathroom, again, very spacious. Separate vanity area. And you have this wonderful walk-in shower. Don't need a shower door. I like that. In the water closet area, there is also a bidet, which is a great feature. I like the archway coming in here too. Notice the dining room on the other side here. Very spacious. Coming into the guest suite hall, you have the laundry room, which has a laundry tub, extra cabinets for storage, gas dryer. There's also an additional bonus room over here that you could use for exercising or painting. The first guest bedroom has a wood engineered floor, plantation shutters, and it has a walk-in closet with organizers. This bedroom is similar in that it also has the walk-in closet. Going into the guest bathroom, features granite and a really nice faucet. Tile to ceiling. Moving back into the kitchen, you will notice beautiful wood cabinets. They have the 48-inch uppers, have the raised panel doors, many pull-outs. You have two Lazy Susans, appliance garage. You also have a downdraft gas range cooktop, which is very nice. And you have a big pantry over there too with organizers. Of course, the granite. This kitchen has it all. And from here, you can look out from the breakfast room out this lovely large window. You can see the lake and the beautiful pool. Family room, again, high ceilings. You have this built-in here, space for large TV. Coming in here features the cabana bath that also abuts the other bedroom. You have the frameless glass shower enclosure, lovely vanity with granite. And a good size guest bedroom. That's one of the entrances to the pool area. Going out to the pool, notice it also has brick pavers. Large covered area. There's also accordion shutters around the whole house, except for a couple windows that require panels. Look at this pool. Wow. It is definitely resort style. There's the hot tub. Looking out over the lake. Going this way, just wanted to show you the side yard does feature a small dog yard fenced in. Over here there's just another water feature. Also a place for a small garden if you'd like to grow some spices or vegetables. Over here is a cooking area for your grill. It's gas fed, and there is electrical there to expand the outdoor kitchen if you'd like. Coming out here, this is, wow, this great long view of the lake. Hard to beat that view. You have a sunning area, your own little private sunning area out here that looks back also to the pool. Again, here's the spa. What a great way to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.